Do you have so much earwax that you could start your own candle factory? Well, I do, but thanks to this Bebird Wi-Fi enabled visual earwax remover, I'm saying lights out to gross earwax once and for all. Stick around to check it out. PickyDaddy.com. Hey, this is Rob the Picky Daddy, back with another review of the best stuff to waste your money on. Well, today is Christmas Day 2020, and the kids right now are all drunk on presents and day-old eggnog, so I thought I'd put down the rum balls for a second and do a review of one of my favorite gifts, and that happens to be this Bebird M9 Pro Smart Visual Earwax Remover. Now, I'm sure you've seen these kind of otoscopes advertised for a while now, with groups of happy millennials joyfully watching in horror as they see what evil lurks deep inside their ear canals. And to be honest, once you use one of these things, it is kind of like watching a horror movie. The problem with some of the earlier devices, though, is that they had to be wired to your computer or phone. The video quality sucks so bad that you could barely see what you were poking around at, and the tool that was used to scrape out the earwax was often hard and sharp and could cause real damage. So I stayed away from them and continued to use the tried and true method of shoving a giant wad of Q-tips in there, hoping I didn't puncture an eardrum and go completely deaf. But then, like a Festivus miracle, I came upon the Bebird M9 Pro, and it has been a game changer. And here's why. First, it's completely wireless, and when not in use, stores nicely in the included charger. Second, they claim the camera shoots in 1080p HD video, and as you'll see in a moment, the video quality is quite good. And third, it comes with a nice variety of attachments for scooping out all that nasty earwax, all of which are nice and soft and won't hurt unless you're an idiot and shove this thing in so far that you want to see what your brain looks like, in which case you probably didn't have one to begin with. Now, I probably should have some kind of legal disclaimer that says sticking things in your ear is bad and not medically advised. But, my channel isn't big enough to have a dedicated legal team, so just use some common sense, okay?
Warning, the following video contains graphic scenes of gross and disgusting earwax being removed, but you knew that already, so don't be lame and close your eyes.
Okay, so now to show you how this thing actually works. First, you need to download the Bebird app for either iPhone or Android. Then make sure your Bebird is fully charged. As you can see, it has a nice green charging indicator here. Once it is fully charged, take off the cap, which should turn on the camera light, which also activates the Bebird's internal Wi-Fi signal. Then, you just need to pair your phone to the Bebird's Wi-Fi, like this. Now, the numbers will look different on your phone than mine. Now you're ready to fire up the app, which should show that your Bebird is connected, along with the remaining battery percentage and recording time. As you can see, mine's fully charged with 90 minutes left of life. But man, if you need 90 minutes to clean your ears, you've got some serious problems. And then just click start, and then the camera view comes up with the scooper attachment clearly in sight, and now you're ready to go on a gold digging expedition. Now, as you can see right off the bat, I've got quite the earwax factory going on, and the scooper just gently glides along, picking up all that nasty goop. Now, to be fair to myself at least, you don't want to get rid of all that wax. I mean, despite how gross it is, earwax does play a vital role in keeping your ears healthy and preventing infection. But when your ears do make too much of it, and you get that nasty crunchy feeling in there, it is probably a good idea to get rid of some of it. And as you can see, the Bebird offers crystal clear video so you can easily see where you're sticking that thing. Right now, the Bebird M9 Pro goes for about $59 on Amazon, and I've put a link down in the description so you can go check it out for yourself and see what lives in your own ears. So that's about it. If you like this video and want to see me probe some of my other body cavities, or just want to see some more insightful product videos, go ahead, give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss another Picky Daddy video again, ever. Well, I think I hear my kids fighting over who gets to play the Nintendo Switch next, so I've got to go play referee, and then start searching for the next best thing to waste my money on. So until then, this is Rob the Picky Daddy. See ya! PickyDaddy.